महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी ने कुंभ के बारे में भी चर्चा की है। इसलिए आप जब महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण के अंदर जब अपने विषय को रखें तो वो विषय भी आप रख सकते हैं। प्रश्नकाल सबसे महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है, माननीय सदस्यों का समय होता है और बहुत प्रयास करने के बाद माननीय सदस्यों का प्रश्न आता है, सरकार की जवाबदेही भी तय होती है। इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर कई बार चर्चा हो चुकी है और मैं आपसे कई बार आग्रह कर चुका हूं, माननीय सदस्यगण कम से कम एक व्यवस्था बना लें, एक व्यवस्था बना लें कि प्रश्नकाल के अंदर कभी भी विषय को नहीं उठाने दिया जाएगा। जब मैं आपका स्थगन को अलाउ नहीं करूं तब विषय उठाया करो। कभी हम संसद की व्यवस्थाओं को तो बनाएं ना। आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, माननीय सदस्य।
So thank you, Speaker sir. Question number 1, which I said my supplementary ka. While the National Culture Fund has successfully facilitated the restoration of numerous historic monuments across the country, I would like to bring attention to Gupti Fort, located in my constituency of Anantapur, sir. This majestic fort, the largest in the state, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires from the Chalukyas to the Vijayanagar Empire, the Mughals and the Marathas, sir, and even the British. Strategically located near NS 44, NS 67 and the Gupti railway station junction, sir. It holds immense potential to become a key tourism hub. However, the fort is currently in a state of neglect. A proposal of 60 crore for its restoration has already been submitted under the NCF ethics remaining pending, sir. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister if the government will take up this project at the earliest and expedite its approval to ensure the timely restoration of the Gupti Fort, sir. Thank you, sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, under the provisions of National Culture Fund, the financial arrangements are being done by the donations what we receive or the money what we receive as a contribution from the companies and PSUs through CSR. So primarily and predominantly, the funding agency, they take a call and give us the priority. We have already enlisted 150 projects on the website of NCF. The said project which Honorable MP wished to ask is also part of that. It has been depicted on the website. Whenever adequate funding will be agreed by any of the PSU or any of the company who is giving CSR and on the priority, we will certainly consider this.
माननीय सदस्यगण, अगर आपको देश की जनता ने नारेबाजी करने के लिए और प्रश्नकाल को स्थगित करने के लिए भेजा है तो आप यही काम कीजिए और अगर सदन चलाना चाहते हैं तो अपनी सीट पर जाकर बैठिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, श्रीमती DK अरुणा।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 उत्तर सबर के पटल पे रखा है। Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, Honorable Speaker, sir. As the House is aware, India's youth population reached about 420 million in 2024, comprising 29% of the total population, and I strongly believe these young individuals hold significant power to influence India's future. Now, my first supplementary question to the Honorable Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, to the Chair, what are the steps being proposed by the government in Telangana to achieve the ambitious goals of Viksit Bharat 2047 to make